Hello friends, welcome to SE Sensor. Today we're going to download and install Turbo C and C or C++ compiler so that we can run our C programs. So go to the link given in the description below, and this page will be it will redirect. Just click that download Turbo C C++ button. It starts downloading. After it has been downloaded, go to the folder downloads and extract this. If this extract option is not available, then you probably have to download third-party compressed or zip file opener such as WinRAR or 7-zip files. There are many others. So we are now in our now we're going to set up this install. It will take a few minutes, and simply go to next, install, look at the yes, then finish. So this is our so we can close this windows by clicking. We can create new file by clicking this new in this final menu, and in compile bar we have compile, and with shortcut keys alt plus F9 combine, and run is control plus F9. So let's write one simple hello world program. So compile, let's compile it. It's success, and run. So hello world, that's our output. We can also save this file with save options. Thank you.